Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Driven Vision. The 2025 Niesmann Bischoff Arto 88 greets you with an elegant, aerodynamic silhouette that commands attention. Its sweeping front fascia and expansive panoramic windshield deliver both a modern aesthetic and improved driver visibility. Fine touches like discrete LED lighting and a sleek roofline add style and function, while composite panels promise durability and insulation tailored for year-round exploration. Interior. Entering the Arto 88, you're enveloped in luxury. The interior blends warm ambient lighting, premium leather seating, and soft-touch surfaces, all designed for comfort and elegance. Captain's chairs swivel to face the rear lounge, creating a cozy lounge area perfect for socializing or relaxing. The cleverly designed galley brings a full-featured induction cooktop, deep sink, and integrated fridge within easy reach. The rear's bedroom oasis includes a plush mattress, generous storage, and soft reading lights. And don't overlook the bathroom: separate shower, quality fixtures, and thoughtful ventilation echo high-end home styling. Performance. The Arto 88 performs with power and poise. It's outfitted with a robust turbodiesel engine paired with a polished automatic transmission, delivering smooth acceleration and confidence on highways, even when fully loaded. The chassis and suspension deliver a balanced, composed ride, minimizing body roll across winding roads. Handling feels tailored for an RV, unexpectedly nimble. Add optional features like rear-view cameras or a 360-degree parking system, and maneuvering becomes intuitive and stress-free. Safety features. When it comes to safety, the Arto 88 delivers with conviction. Standard systems such as ABS and electronic stability program ensure reliable road handling. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring provide modern support to drivers. Interior safety features include smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, along with well-placed emergency exits. The panoramic windshield and integrated LED lighting give added visibility, making nighttime driving safer and more confident. Unique selling points. What truly sets the 2025 Arto 88 apart? First, it redefines motorhome luxury. Its finishes and ergonomics echo a first-class apartment on wheels. Second, it strikes a rare balance between comfort and compact functionality, making it ideal for both couples and families. Third, thoughtful engineering is evident, from rotating seats and space-smart storage to a standout bathroom area. Fourth, its advanced safety suite enhances driver confidence. Finally, the harmonious blend of European styling, intelligent layout, and durable build delivers an unmatched travel experience. Price. Now, let's talk investment. The 2025 Niesmann Bischoff Arto 88 commands a premium, typically ranging from €250,000 to €300,000, depending on configuration and optional features. While it reflects a significant cost, the value proposition is strong. You're paying for craftsmanship, comfort, and cutting-edge engineering. For buyers seeking a motorhome that offers upscale lifestyle and performance, the Arto 88 offers compelling justification for its price tag. The 2025 Arto 88 stands as a remarkable fusion of luxury, performance, and smart design. Its elegant exterior, opulent interior, smooth ride quality, comprehensive safety features, and distinctive selling points position it at the pinnacle of motorhome excellence. Yes, the cost is high, but the delivery matches the premium, perfect for those who want their travels to feel as refined as their destinations. Thank you so much for watching this review. If you enjoyed it, please remember to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. Until next time, safe travels, and I'll catch you in the next video.